Hello everyone, my name is Ruth Alexandra Campos Herrera. This activity is from the English phonetic course, and today I am going to talk you about the alphabet, International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. English pronunciation training improved your accent and speaking clearly. In this lesson, I am going to show you how to use the International Phonetic Alphabet IPA to practice English pronunciation. If you learn and practice with the IPA, you will be able to pronounce any word in the English dictionary, even if you have never heard it before. Let's try it. Okay. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, but there are 44 different sounds. That's why the importance of using IPA. There are five English vowels, but there are many more vowels in English. A, E, O, and U. Okay. Listen to me. And E, O, U, E, O, A, R, Ho. Okay. Okay. And group of vocal sound called diphthong. Let's use new listen how to remember the sound of diphthong. Okay? Okay. Listen to me. A, I, E, U, O, O, A, I, O. Okay? Very good. Very good. Okay. Now let's go to consonant. Consonant. Okay. And voice consonant sound. Okay. But t, sh, 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 s, sh, k, h. Okay. And the voice consonant sound. B, d, d, j, z, sh, g, n, r, or, l, w, u. Okay? Okay. Good, this is all for this lesson. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.